Hey guys, it's Deepak Shukla here again, founder at CertWiz, and today we're talking in our report the importance of, I think my mouth is out of sync again. No, I think we're back. The importance of favicons. So for those of you who don't know what a favicon is, then it's this little bad boy up here. You see the image just there? I mean, ours is a bit squarey, but you see the other one here for Pearl Lemon, and that's round and nice and slick, and we'll probably work on improving ours. But favicons really are there for when people have your actual image open, rather your website open, and in the tab you can see a favicon that belongs to your site, which is really a mini form of your logo. Okay, so you got an opportunity to you know what? Let's have a Google of favicons. I wonder, because I'm actually curious, favicon for SEO to see why are they important for SEO. So WooRank talks about it. I see WooRank appearing for a lot of stuff. So we're new to the scene, CertWiz, so that's why we need to keep working on our SEO. But it's cool. 16 by 6 pixels, small icons. It contain the logo, first letter of a brand, or generic image that represents a business type. Which is very true. Intended to be shown only for bookmarking URLs. However, these days there are many instances where it's displayed. They're extremely helpful for branding and usability. Google's incorporated favicons directly into the search results, actually showing the favicons page. Yeah. So Google only shows a favicon in mobile search results. So let's just put that to the test. Search for CertWiz to see. It's always interesting when let's have a look then at another tool. Let's look at the BBC to see if they show the favicon. Okay, so they show it here actually, and then I presume by logic, if we looked at, I wonder if we look at Pearl Lemon, what happens and where we see the favicon. I guess it's in relation to the news site. WooRank had the title. Let's have a look at WooRank. No, they don't. So I was wondering where they actually show it. But in the tabs, you see it as well. And that also appear in the bookmark URLs in a browser, in the browsing history of Google Chrome, which is cool to know. Some search engines incorporate it. Okay, so that's from DuckDuckGo. That's why. I beg your pardon. Bing is testing the use of favicons in search results. This was, when was this? WooRank. That was Feb 5th, 2018. So credibility and trust. Yeah, no, I agree with that. This is, yeah, so there's credibility and trust elements, follow-up visits. People respond to visuals better than text. I agree. The favicon helps remember. Are there any benefits for SEO? Increased usability, and yeah, it just helps people save the user time. Bookmarks, favicons for different browsers, so nothing there that's crazy. Is there anything else to what is a favicon? Why your website needs it? SEO ranking. That's cool. Let's have a look at these guys. Right, every website needs a favicon and how to get it right. Favicons in mobile SERP. Okay, so it appears in mobile SERP format, size. You've got some sizes there. Anyway, guys, I think that that hopefully gives you quite a good insight into favicons. I'll be honest with you, I learned a lot of stuff there, and you know, it's one of the beauties of SEO. Every time you think you've nailed something, you discover that there's even more to it. So favicons for SEO, you've got some insights into it now. So there you go, guys.